Sell your business. Savvy entrepreneurs know how to build a business, but they also know when to sell it. Maybe it's become too much work, maybe they don't have the time to devote to it, or maybe they have other business interests they want to pursue. Some business sales, like Philip Green selling VHS for £1 or Homebase being sold for the same amount, are utterly disastrous. Here are my 7 hacks to make sure your business gets snapped up by a new owner who can take it to a different level. 1. Air of confidence. Believe in your products or service. You built it from scratch, and you should be so proud that you are at the stage where you are considering selling a successful business to its next owner. If you don't have faith in what you can offer, why should anybody else? 2. Power of positivity. Focus on the strengths of your business. If a competitor is doing better, acknowledge that. Tell your staff what they are doing right and reinforce and reiterate the idea that your business can be number one. 3. Hot brands. Your business branding is key. It gives potential clients and customers the first glimpse of your company, and it will form their first impression, so it needs to be spot on. Invest in a professionally designed business logo. It's money well spent. Get it and any other branding professionally designed. 4. Devil is in the detail. Don't be let down by seemingly trivial details. Make sure your staff are presentable, polite with customers, the office is clean and tidy, and there is someone to welcome visitors. It's worth asking a friend to pop in or call to see firsthand how good the service is. If there's any niggling problems, you can tackle them before a sale. 5. Think big. The bigger, the better. So what if it's just you and your dog in the office? If you have an interested buyer, you have to think like a big company. Don't feel grateful for the potential sale. Show the buyer what they are standing to gain. This will make your business far more attractive. 6. Staff. Your staff can be one of your biggest assets, so it makes sense to treat them accordingly. A motivated and highly efficient workforce can have a big effect on profits, making a more attractive sale. Don't forget, they will also be key to helping the new owners take over the reins. 7. PLC. Imagine you are a PLC even if you have no shareholders. A PLC's accounts have to be impeccable and give an understanding of where the business is heading. If you run your business in such a manner, it gives prospective buyers a chance to see exactly what they are getting and build on it. Have my hacks focused your mind on selling your business? Let me know. Like, comment and share.